Hello crafty friends, it's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you what I got in my Echo Park warehouse box. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I want to say a big welcome back to my subscribers and regular viewers, and if this is your first time to my channel, I hope that by the end of this video you'll be inspired to click on that subscribe button below and maybe even tap on that bell for notifications. Like I mentioned in the intro, I'm going to be sharing with you what came in my Echo Park warehouse box. Last week on their Instagram account, they announced that they had a new warehouse box. I have picked these up a couple times before, and I wasn't really expecting one now, so it was a pleasant surprise. You always get lots of goodies, and this was only $50 shipped. Now I'm not here today to be like, oh look at me, look what I got to buy. This is more for in the future if another warehouse box becomes available and you're not sure if it's something you want to order. This is a good way to see what has been in previous boxes. If you snagged one of these boxes and you've already gotten it, let me know below if you got pretty much the same things or if yours had something different. When I start sharing with you what I got in my box, we'll do it in sections like paper, stamps and stencils, embellishments, and so on. Let's go ahead and look at the paper. For my pattern paper, I got this 6x6 paper pad by Cartabella, and it is the Circus collection. It looks like it has a vintage feel, and it comes with 24 sheets that are double-sided. Next up is the Magical Adventure 2 paper pad. I have something similar, maybe I have Magical Adventure 1. We've been to Disney a couple times, so this will come in handy when I'm trying to finish up those scrapbooks. Another reason this might come in handy is I'm hoping to make some cards to send to students at my school. Since we're not actually in school right now, I wanted to let them know that I'm missing them and maybe even challenge them to send out a card themselves. Here's a look at the papers for you. There are 24 single-sided sheets. Next is Echo Park's Transatlantic Travel Collection Kit. This comes with papers and stickers. Now it's really not my style. I'm usually not kind of this vintage or shabby, but I might have a friend who would be able to use it. Ooh, I like this one. I see some gold foiling. This is the Autumn Gold Foil Stripe Collection Kit, and there are 6 12x12 double-sided papers in here. Looks like I got 2 of those. I am loving the bright colors on this. This is another collection kit. It's the Let's Party by Jen Allison of Echo Park Paper Company. This has 12 double-sided papers and a sticker sheet. Here's another cute one, Country Kitchen by Steve Duncan of Echo Park. Again, it's another collection kit with some papers and stickers. Has kind of a farmer's market feel. Next is the Fashionista collection kit by Danny Mogstad of Echo Park. Again, I like these. And finally for paper is Pack Your Bags. And before the whole coronavirus, stay-at-home, social distancing, I would have had the perfect opportunity to use this. My daughter is supposed to be going to New York and Washington, D.C. this summer, but I kind of have a feeling we're going to get some bad news soon. I would appreciate any prayers, positive vibes that she gets to go because she's super excited, and being away from her friends for so long has already bummed her out. Next, I'll share with you the embellishments and the accessories that I received. I got 2 rolls of washi tape. One is Lost in Neverland, so there's a little fairy on there. And the other one is from Best Summer Ever, and they're adorable pink flamingos. I got some Flair from the Christmas Time collection. Enamel dots from Home Again. I actually got this kit, so now I have some extra when I use that paper. There are some adorable Sweet Baby Girl enamel shapes. Adhesive brads from the Summertime collection. I got the frames and tags from Pirate Tales. This one says ARG, means I love you in pirate. And then finally, from the Lost in Neverland collection as well, I got some chipboard accents. So kind of a Peter Pan theme. And finally, I'll share with you the Stencils and Stamps. This first one is a 6x6 stencil. It's the Pirate Tales line, and it is ship anchors. I don't have a lot of stencils, so this will come in handy because I've been wanting to try to use them more. This might be one of my favorite items in the entire box. It is a full-size background stamp, kind of a triangle pattern. And then last but not least, I have a stamp and die set. So I have some stamps down here I could use on cards, and then 3 dies to cut those out with. If you enjoyed getting to see what I got in my warehouse box, I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.